Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Binod B.k, sir.
Binod B.k. How old are you?
I'm 23 years old, sir.
23 years old. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Nepal.
Nepal, where?
Parbat
Parbat.
district.
Parbat, Nepal. Okay. So, can you tell me your education level?
My education 10 plus, sir.
10 pass. Okay. Are you married?
No, sir, I'm single.
Single. Okay. Do you have a work experience?
Yes.
Where?
Saudi Arabia, 2
Okay.
years
Okay.
in kitchen.
Okay.
Then India's
India. Kitchen helper.
kitchen helper.
Which hotel? Name?
July.
Too light. Okay. How many years?
17 months India,
Okay.
2 years Saudi Arabia.
2 years Saudi Arabia. Okay. Do you smoke?
No, sir.
Haven't drink?
No.
Okay. Why do you want to go Romania?
For my family support,
Okay.
then my future.
Okay. So we need 10 hour for day, 60 for week, 20, 60 for month. Are you agree?
Agree, sir.
Okay. After we will get salary $500, $550 plus food. Are you agree?
Yes.
Are you kitchen helper, right?
Right.
Okay. Show me your cutting skill.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.